History is always an interesting topic. People want to know about history and culture. That's why historical facts videos go viral quickly. A historical niche can be a great idea if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel. Look at this channel. It's hugely popular and every video has millions of views. Today, I will share the method of creating animated historical videos with AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. History is a vast niche. There are so many popular events and topics. You have to select popular events or facts to get quick success. It's so simple to find popular events. Let's do it together. Open your browser and search for most searched historical events on Google or any other search engine. After getting the results, open the links, collect all historical events names, and keep them in a sheet or content planner. For example, I made this list. Now we will start making videos on them one by one. For example, my first video will be about dropping the atomic bomb on Hiroshima in 1945. Alright, our topic is ready. Now we need a script on this topic. You can research on the internet and write your own script. But, I will use AI to save time and effort. ChatGPT can be our best assistant. I will generate my script with ChatGPT. So, log into your ChatGPT account. After logging in, come to this Explore GPT tab. Here you will find a vast number of custom GPTs for various use cases. We need an article writer GPT. Come to this search bar and search for article writer. After getting the search result, select this article writer custom GPT. Click on Start Chat and then type your topic or paste it on this prompt box, and then hit the Enter button. ChatGPT will start writing a well-crafted article. And here it is, our article is ready. Now I will use only the body part of the article as my video script. Copy the script and keep it on a doc file. Alright, our script is ready. Now let's move forward to actual video creation. You can record your voiceover, collect or create related stock media, and then combine all of them with a video editor. But I will use an AI video generator which will create the complete video for me. Open a new tab on your browser and search for Fliki AI. Now enter the first link. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Here you can notice some of my previous projects. Yes, I make videos with Fliki AI for another automation channel. Okay, to create a new video, click on the New File button from here. A new pop-up will appear. Here we have to provide our project information. First, the file type. With Fliki AI, you can create videos, voiceovers, and design. As I am making a video, I am selecting video. Next, enter your file name. Then you have to select the video language and accents. You can create videos in more than 50 languages and accents with Fliki. I will go with English with American accents. Next, set the aspect ratio of your video. If you are making a video for YouTube, then select landscape, and for TikTok or Instagram, select portrait. I will go with landscape. After that, the most important, the start with option. Here you have to select the input type. With Fliki you can convert your idea, script, blog, PPT, tweet, or product link to an engaging video. As we already have a script, I will go with the script option. On the next page, we have to enter the script in this text box. Before entering the script in this box, I will customize the script. Fliki AI generates a scene for every paragraph of your script. So, to create more scenes, I will create as many paragraphs as possible. After completing the process, copy the script and paste it into the script box. After pasting the script, you will find the summary option. It's very useful when you have a full-fledged article and you want to make a short video with the script. Just turn on the option and then set the video duration. I will skip it this time. Okay, now scroll down and come to the content settings. This setting is very crucial. First, the media. Here you can select the media type you want to use on your video. If you select stock media, then Fliki will use the stock media file. But if you select the AI media, then Fliki will generate new media files for you. I will go with AI media. There are two options, image and video. I am selecting the video. Now we have to select the style. As I want to generate the video in anime style, I am selecting the anime style from here. You can select from 3D models, cinematic, comic book, line art, low poly, and more. Okay, after the media setting, you can select a template from this template library. It's not necessary, so I am skipping it. Next, if you add automatic sound effects, then turn on the sound effects option. Then if you want to add an AI presenter to your video, select this AI avatar option. A presenter can make a video more engaging. So, I will turn it on. And in the end, you add titles to your video. After all is set, hit the submit button. Now Fliki will take some time to generate the video. Let's first forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's have a preview.
Warfare was unveiled when the United States dropped an atomic bomb on the city of Hiroshima, Japan. This momentous event not only marked a pivotal point in...
That's a good video, I think. Now can download the video or customize it if needed. First of all, if you want to change any scene visually, click on the visual icon from here. You will find a vast number of royalty-free videos and images. To generate new media, come to the Generate tab. Here you can generate images or videos with text prompts. Just select the media type and style and then enter the prompt in this prompt box. And after all is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is, our new video clip is ready. Alright, after completing the scene editing, if you want to change the voice actor, select one scene and then click on the voice actor name under the voiceover. You will find a vast number of ultra-realistic AI voice actors. Now listen to some of them and then select the best fit for you. After selecting the voice actor, scroll down and click on Apply to all voiceovers. Otherwise, you have to change the voice actor from all of the scenes. Okay, now to generate a voiceover with the new voice actor, click on the play button from here.
Era of warfare was unveiled when the United States dropped an atomic...
Now you may notice that our actor is not talking at all. To solve this issue, we have to create avatar videos. Click on the scene where you use the avatar and then select the avatar layer. After that, come to the right tool panel and hit the Generate Avatar Video button from here. In this way, generate avatar video from all other scenes.
A new era of warfare was unveiled.
Alright, after the avatar video generation, we will focus on the captions. You can customize the captions templates, text font, size, color, background, and display type. Give some time to make the subtitle or caption more appealing. Okay, our editing is completed. Now to download the video, click on the download button. On this page, select the video resolution and format and then hit the export and then start button. Now Fliki AI will take some time to render the video. Let's first forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Click on the download button to save the video on your device. Let's enjoy the video together.
On August 6, 1945, a new era of warfare was unveiled when the United States dropped an atomic bomb on the city of Hiroshima, Japan. This momentous event not only marked a pivotal point in World War II, but also changed the course of history, highlighting the devastating power of nuclear weapons. Understanding the circumstances and consequences surrounding this event provides crucial insights into its lasting impact on the world. Historical context. To grasp the significance of the Hiroshima bombing, one must first understand the backdrop of World War II.
I think it's a great video in a very short time. You can make it better than me. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating historical videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!